Fighting the opioid crisis one city at a time, Norcross Police receiving a donation of several Narcan kits to help officers fight the epidemic on the streets. According to the Health District Director, Gwinnett County saw more than 100 opioid deaths in 2020. She says by the end of April of this year, 44 deaths had already been reported. And she says with the donation from Guide Incorporated and the county's health department, these Narcan kits can help save lives.
The idea here is really to flood our community with Narcan so that we can report overdoses that are reversed and not deaths.
Each Norcross officer was given 2 doses to keep with them during their shifts. The doses have a shelf life of 1 to 2 years.